In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly integrate GitHub into your WordPress website. This is an incredibly useful process for those of you who want to manage and share your code effectively while working on your WordPress projects. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Integrating GitHub with WordPress is quite straightforward. For those who might be new to this, GitHub is a robust platform utilized by developers worldwide. It allows you to create, store, manage, and share your code. Essentially, it serves as a collaborative space where software developers can work together seamlessly. GitHub runs on the Git software, which is essential for version control, access management, bug tracking, task management, and continuous integration, among other features. By leveraging GitHub, you can effortlessly monitor different versions of your applications, maintain backups, and collaborate efficiently with your team. Now, let's get started on incorporating this powerful tool into your WordPress. To begin, you'll need to log into your WordPress account as an administrator. Navigate to wordpress.com and use your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find several options. Locate and hover over the one labeled Plugins. You'll see two choices appear: Add New Plugin and Install Plugins. Install Plugins will show you all the tools and plugins that are already set up with your WordPress account. But for our integration today, our focus is on Add New Plugin. Click on this option to open the page that lists all compatible plugins and tools available for WordPress integration. If you don't spot GitHub right away, there's no need to worry. You can conveniently use the search box at the top of the page. Type in GitHub to sift through available plugins. You'll discover several GitHub-related plugins, featuring options recommended by WordPress users. However, the one I suggest for its comprehensive functionality is called GitHub Code Viewer. Go ahead and click on GitHub Code Viewer. This plugin includes all the essential features you'll need for a smooth integration experience. Click Install, and after it's done installing, hit Activate to enable the plugin for use. You'll be redirected to the integration page. Simply let the system do its magic while it activates the plugin. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, you can configure it by going to its settings. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. Here, you can log in with your GitHub username and personal access token, also known as your login credentials. Once logged in, you can import all relevant data from your GitHub repositories over to WordPress. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've effectively integrated GitHub into your WordPress website, paving the way for streamlined code management and collaboration. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough makes your development process much smoother and more efficient.